Welcome to today's Psych with Sigmund, where we explore the fascinating world of psychology and uncover the secrets of the human mind. I'm your host, Sigmund, and today we're going to delve into the intriguing concept of reconstructive memory. Reconstructive memory refers to the process by which our brains reconstruct past events, rather than simply recalling them as they actually happened. This concept is essential in psychology because it highlights the dynamic and constructive nature of human memory. Our memories are not static or fixed. Instead, they are constantly being revised, updated, and reinterpreted based on new experiences, emotions, and social influences. The idea of reconstructive memory emerged in psychological theory through the work of pioneers like Frederick Bartlett, who demonstrated that people's recollections of events are often distorted or modified over time. This concept has since been developed and refined by numerous researchers, including Elizabeth Loftus, who has extensively studied the malleability of human memory. From a theoretical perspective, reconstructive memory can be understood through various psychological frameworks, such as schema theory, which proposes that our memories are organized around mental schemas or frameworks that help us make sense of the world. Another key concept is the idea of confabulation, where people fill in gaps in their memories with information that did not actually happen. This can occur due to factors like suggestion, social influence, or even brain damage. Research has consistently shown that reconstructive memory plays a significant role in shaping our perceptions of reality. For example, studies on eyewitness testimony have demonstrated that people's recollections of events can be influenced by leading questions, social pressure, or even the presence of misleading information. In one famous study, participants were shown a video of a car accident and then asked to estimate the speed of the cars involved. Those who were asked if the cars had smashed into each other gave higher speed estimates than those who were asked if the cars had simply hit each other. More recent research has focused on the neural mechanisms underlying reconstructive memory, using techniques like functional magnetic resonance imaging to identify brain regions involved in memory reconstruction. These findings suggest that memory is not stored in a single location, but is distributed across multiple areas of the brain, including the hippocampus, prefrontal cortex, and parietal cortex. So, how can understanding reconstructive memory help us in our everyday lives? For one, it highlights the importance of critical thinking and skepticism when evaluating information, especially when it comes to eyewitness testimony or historical accounts. By recognizing that memories are subject to reconstruction, we can approach these sources with a more nuanced perspective, taking into account factors like bias, suggestion, and social influence. In therapeutic settings, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, understanding reconstructive memory can inform the treatment of traumatic experiences. By acknowledging that memories are subject to reconstruction, therapists can help clients reframe and reinterpret their memories in a more adaptive way, reducing the negative impact of traumatic events. For instance, a client who experienced a car accident may recall the event as being more severe than it actually was due to the emotional distress they experienced at the time. By working with the therapist, the client can learn to reframe their memory of the event in a more realistic and less distressing way. Moreover, recognizing the reconstructive nature of memory can also promote self-reflection and personal growth. By becoming more aware of how our brains construct and reconstruct memories, we can develop a greater appreciation for the complexity of human experience. This awareness can encourage us to approach our recollections with a more nuanced perspective, acknowledging both the strengths and limitations of our memories. In conclusion, reconstructive memory is a powerful reminder of the dynamic and constructive nature of human memory. By understanding how our brains actively reconstruct and modify memories, we can gain insight into the intricate processes that shape our perceptions of the past and present. As we continue to explore the complexities of the human mind, it's essential to acknowledge both the strengths and limitations of our current knowledge. That's all for today's Psych with Sigmund. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, May your ego find balance between pleasure and reality.